Hi, it's Awning Alice here from James Robert Shaw. Today we're going to be walking through how to adjust the arm position for the Bobcat Folding-Arm Awning. For this walkthrough, you will need a 4mm Allen key and a 13mm spanner. Firstly, we will need to remove the end cap that covers the lateral end. You may need to remove your bracket fixing bolts to do this. This will require a 13mm spanner. Once you have removed the end cap, reattach the bracket fixing bolts. Seng the awning to its maximum projection. You will now need your 4mm Allen key to loosen the grub screw on the inside of the back arm connector. Now retract the awning so it's roughly 30 cm out from the cassette. Using your 4mm Allen key, turn the grub screw on the outside of the lateral end clockwise to raise, anti-clockwise to lower. When you have achieved your desired position, extend the awning to its maximum projection. Now tighten the grub screw on the inside of the back arm connector using your 4mm Allen key. Now close the awning to see if you've made the appropriate adjustments for it to close smoothly back into the cassette. Finally, refit the end cap. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any further questions or inquiries, please visit our website at www.jamesrobertshaw.co.uk or alternatively give our sales team a call on 01204 574 764. I'm Awning Alice, over and out.